Hi everyone, in this session we'll learn about the formatting part of the Word file. Now, if you see, under the Home tab we can find several formatting options of the text. Now first option that is addressed here is font. Now if you want to change font of any text, you can change it from here. Like, just need to select the font, or you can select the paragraph that you needed, and you just click over here and see which font you needed or which font you want to put. Like, let's say Algerian font is here, the font has changed. In case if you need a Mongol one or the Arial one, the Arial font is here. Calibri is Calibri here. If you need Cambria, you can just type also, subjected that you have that font exists on your PC. Now this is about the font. Now if you want to change the font size, you can click here and you can click the number of the size. I mean to say, you can click here and select the number that you needed to change the font size. You can have as minimum as 8 and as maximum as 72 font listed in this said list. Or let's suppose, now if you want the font less than 8 or more than 22, more than 72, then you can type here. Like here, if I'll type 2, it has changed the font size to 2. And if I want, I can even change the font size to 74. Look, now I'll keep it as 14 as it was. Now below that we have option of bold. If you want to bold something, if you want to give bold formatting to any text, you just need to select that particular text and click on the B tab. It will make your sentence or text or paragraph bold. If you want to make it italic, you can do that, or if you need underline, you can click on the underline. In case if you want all the things to be formatted to a single text, you can do that. Just need to select the font or the text or the paragraph that you want to bold, italic and underline, and you need to select bold, italic and underline at the same time. Now here is the word bold. We have given it the bold formatting with underline and italic format. Now strike through. Now in case if you want something, like if you have made a form and you want someone to cut the option, like if you have, let's suppose you have male or female option. Now I'll just remove this, and if you want your user to select something or to strike through something, so if somebody want to strike through female, you can just select the word and click on the strike through. Now subscript is when if you want to write some particular formula with subscript, then we need to use this option. Like here is the subscript word, I'll just select it and click on this, it will be subscript. Or let's say if I want this to be subscript, we can do that. Superscript is also used at several places where somebody wants to write some squares or cubes, or if you want to write some degree. Like if I want to write 36 degree, then I'll just put the 0, select it and subscript it. It will be 36 degree. If I don't want to select this and I want to increase the font size directly, I can increase the font size. I just need to select that increase font size, and I have to click on this increase font size. Okay, and if I want to decrease the font size, then I can select this. I can select the text, I can select the paragraph, and I just need to click this decrease font size. Hope you're getting me. Now in case I want to change the case, that is if my sentence is in lowercase I want them in uppercase or some other things, we have here different case things. I'll show you one by one. Now just before doing that, just see here we have C in capital, this C in capital and T is in small. Now I'll select whole the word, and if I want to convert it in uppercase I'll just click here and say uppercase. It will convert all the sentence or all the paragraph or the word in the uppercase. If I want all things in lowercase I'll just see lowercase. If I want in sentence case it will change the first word after each full stop to the capital. If I want to capitalize something, capitalize each word, then it will capitalize first letter of each word. If I'll say toggle case, then it will toggle the cases. It means whatever in lowercase it will make it uppercase, and whatever in uppercase it will make it to lowercase. Fine. Now here it comes, text effects and typography. Now let's suppose I select this. If I select text and typography and I go over here, I have several options here to change my particular text or to change the design of my particular text. Like if I'll select this, it will change my word in this effect, in the blue effect. Look, here is the name blue accent 1 shadow. If I want it like this, I just need to select that. If I want to select this orange design, I just need to click here and it will become orange with that particular format. If I want outline with different color, I can select a different color. If I want the shadow, I can select the shadow here. If I want reflection of this, I can select here reflection. If I want to glow something, I mean to say I want to highlight something and I want to glow it, or I want the user to see that particular thing, I'll highlight that thing or glow that thing. I'll click on the color which I want while highlighting that particular thing or giving glowing effect to that particular thing. I just select that one and I'll click on the glow. Now the next thing is text highlight. If I want to highlight a text, I'll just select that particular text and go here and highlight the text. Now there are several colors or different options of colors that I have. I can each anyone that is suitable for me, like yellow, green or something else. Fine. Now if I want to change the font color, now as you can see here we have only black color font. We can select the color and we can go here and select whatever color we need it. Now let's suppose that I want to add bullets or I want to add points to my paragraph, or suppose that I have several points that I want to bullet them, I just need to select that particular things. Now let's suppose that I have 1, 2, 3 points and I want to bullet them. I just select them, I select all the points and click on the bullet. By default it will show me these type of bullets. If I want to change the style of bullet, I'll just click here and change the type of bullets. Just click here and change types of bullet. Click here, change type of bullet. Whatever bullet style I needed, I can get that. Fine. Now let's suppose I want to number something. Now I have 3 sentences A, B, C and I want to number them directly. Then I can go here, I can click on it. It will automatically give numbers like this: 1, 2, 3, 1 dot, 2 dot and 3 dot. By default it gives this formatting. If I want, I can change the formatting. I just need to click here and I'll click on this. If I want this formatting, I'll click here. If I'll need image formatting, if I need Roman formatting, I'll click here.